Welcome to IIHM USEC Protein Conclave. I am Chef Mona Das and today I am going to prepare a dessert named Tofu Cashew Nut Delight. So, we will first see the ingredients that we need for the dessert. This is cashew nut powder. So, I have dry roasted the cashew nut and then it has been grinded in the mixer grinder. We need tofu which is grated. We need some cardamom powder to flavor the dessert, some pistachio, chopped pistachio to garnish, condensed milk. We need a little bit of saffron and some silverwork for the garnish. So, to start with the process, first we are going to mix the grated tofu and the cashew nut powder. So, this is around 200 grams of tofu which is grated and this is around 100 grams of cashew nut powder which we are going to mix it properly first. So, we will first mix the tofu and the cashew nut. So, we have taken this tray. Put your grated tofu. Tofu as it is very delicate, and the cashew nut powder. So, we are going to nicely mix these first. The cashew nut powder will not be very powdery like our dry spices since it has got its natural oil present into it. So, it may form a bit of lumps. So, while mixing it along with the tofu, make sure you break down those lumps into the tofu itself. So, our mixture is already mixed now. Now, we are just going to start the process of cooking. So, this is how the cashew nut and the tofu together would look like. So, this is the mixture. To start with, we will first heat the pan. Use a thick bottom pan or a non-stick pan because we will be cooking this mixture for a longer span of time. So, don't use anything which is made up of steel. So, a non-stick pan is advisable or a thick bottom kadhai of aluminium is something which is preferable. Let the pan be hot and then we are going to add the condensed milk. This is around 400 grams of condensed milk which we are adding to the pan. So, we will add our condensed milk into the pan first. As the pan starts getting heated, the condensed milk is going to melt or thin down a bit. Immediately, we will add the mixture that we have made of the cashew nut and the tofu. So, we will add this mixture to the pan. And now, we need to continuously stir this. Let the condensed milk and the tofu cashew nut gets mixed well. We need to continuously stir it till the time it starts to become like a thick lump. The mixture has got mixed well. Now, to add some flavoring, we are adding half a teaspoon around of cardamom powder. We will add few strands of saffron. On the side, we will grease our tray in which we are going to set. So, to grease that, we will just add a little bit of oil into the grease proof tray or a steel tray. We can see the mixture has started thickening. We will cook for a while till the time the mixture really starts to leave the pan. Though we have not added any oil or any ghee in the mixture, but we have used cashew nut which has got its natural oils present into it. So, because of which in a while the mixture is going to start leaving the pan, and then we can put them into the grease proof tray, and then this needs to be cooled into the refrigerator for at least half an hour. So, we can see now the mixture has started turning into a lump, maybe 1 or 2 more minutes. Okay. So, once your mixture gets this consistency, we can see now it is already forming into a lump and it is leaving the pan. We are going to switch off our pan, and now we are going to transfer this mixture into the tray that we have greased. So, I have transferred all the mixture into the tray, and now I am just going to set it into the tray so that the mixture can get the shape of the tray. Just to get the sides even, we can just apply your hand, you can just apply a little bit of oil in your hand, oil or ghee, and just tap the mixture so that it forms into a thin layer. Now we will garnish it with some sprigs or silvers of pistachio that we have cut on the top, and again after putting, just press it a bit so that the pistachios get settled onto the dessert. Little bit of silver work that we have. Just here and there, just apply the work. And this goes into the refrigerator for cooling. So, we are going to put it inside the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes for the mixture to set. So, our cashew nut tofu delight was there in the refrigerator for some time, and it has got set and it is cold now, and it is ready to be cut. So, we will cut it into equal portions. The size and the shape all depends on your choice. You can choose what size and shape you would like to cut your delight into. I have cut it into square. Since tofu is a really delicate product, so you have to be very careful when you are demolding it, and since we have greased the tray earlier, so it is not going to take too much of time or effort to demold and place it. So, nicely place your a really easy recipe, a dessert to make with tofu, which is a soya product. Serve it at room temperature, better to be eaten at room temperature. If you want, you can refrigerate it for some more time if you really think that the delight is very soft, but then this is how it should be actually. But if you think you want to set it further, you can also set it for little more time.